Hi guys, welcome to Stack and Hip. We have already said that we started this channel for those who want to know coding and to be a programmer or a developer. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe and please post your esteemed comments on our comment box and like our video. Okay friends, today we all know if we going to study a programming language or another domain, first of all we should provide a small programming means a demo programming and hello world. Okay, now we are going to program a hello world program in Arduino. Okay, now start. We have double click in Arduino IDE. Okay, it is starting. We can see the window within seconds. A window had opened. Now we can see the void setup and void which is provided by the Arduino IDE itself. Now we are going to delete it and we are starting with first of all. Okay, now we are going to provide the void void setup and the double bracket, then the emphasis. We have provided the setup function and the serial dot to begin in setup, and we provide the serial frequency called 9600. We can also provide another frequencies too. We should have to adjust it in serial monitor. Then serial dot println. Println means print line. Print line hello world in bracket in double quotes hello world. We can see what is the difference between posting a command in setup function and the loop function. Now we are going to provide the void loop and provide the double bracket and the emphasis. Not provide any commands in the loop function. Now we can see what will happen after we upload it. Now I take a Arduino Mega board and I just connected it to system. It was connected. Now we have seen a blink. Now let us see. We are going to upload it. We go to tools. Here we select the board Arduino Mega. And we connected Arduino Mega, so we provide Arduino Mega in toolbox. Then we select the CROM. Which CROM we are connected? CROM 8 we connected Arduino Mega. Arduino Mega. Then we are uploading it. Now we have seen the save function. You should have to provide the name for the coding. We provide the name. Is it? Okay, Arduino hello world. Then save it. Okay, now we are going to go to a serial monitor after the completing uploading means we provide a command called done upload in the downside. Okay, now it is compiling. After compiling it will start uploading. Here we can see the RST's LEDs are blinking, so it is completed the uploading. Okay, now we can see what is going to happen next. Okay, we have seen done uploading. Then we can see the hello world program there. But we can see the hello world in serial monitor. We can see Chrome 8 is given, and the serial monitor with have in the header is the Chrome 8, means that is the Chrome we have provided, is it? And we have seen only hello world program. Only one times the hello world is printed. Now we are going to provide the same command in loop function, means we provide it in the setup function. The hello world is printed at once, but we provide it in loop function at a delay of 500, means what the delay we are like. We are just typed serial dot print line hello world delay 500. We provided the same function in loop function and provided delay as 500. What can we see the difference between we posting the a command in setup box and the same command in loop box? Okay, we have loaded it and we are going to check it in the Chrome 8, means our serial monitor. We can see the loop is, we can see it is repeating. The hello world that post is repeating in a interval of delay 500. Now we are going to remove the delay. We can see what can be seen if you really remove the delay. We can see what will happen if we remove the delay. Just look. Okay, we can see the coding is increasing, means we can see the output is in a rapid way. Now we are providing another loop. Another loop means another delay, and also providing another command too. In serial print is stack and heap. That is we going to provide. Welcome to stack and heap. In this program we have not to provide any coding, sorry, any circuit, because this is a simple program. This program not need any coding, so we provide another string and another delay function too. You can see what will happen. Okay, we can see what will happens, means we will provide the first hello world program, that is the means we have first hello world command, that is the setup function, and the same way the hello world and hello stack and heap is repeating at a certain interval. Now we provide the second string with a delay of 5000. What will happen next? We can see. Okay, we can see what's the hello world after welcome to stack, and here we will find the delay time is increasing. Is it? After hello world welcome to stack and heap we will come soon. After welcome to stack and heap the hello world will take too much time because we reset to the delay function. Okay friends, I think you have liked our video, and thanks for watching. if you like it. And now I removed the show time. Now you can see the time slot is removed. Okay, in the down we can see the slot time window, short time icon. So we removed. Now I reput it. Then we can see the time delete. Okay, thank you for seeing. Please share, subscribe this video. Thanks a lot.